tool change and you can go with it.
Oh, looks like a pretty quick tool change.
It's a really quick tool change. It's going to run about 1 inch high.
So what's this program doing? It's like pecking?
It's just peck drilling, and then what it's going to do is it's going to tap afterwards, and then it does just a 1/4 inch to go in to get those little pockets in there for clearance on some of our taps.
So that's the actual part.
This is a jig for a part right now.
Oh, okay.
So we're going to take this part right here and we're going to flip it once we get that drilled in. We're going to flip it and put it right on top.
You already drilled all the features using this program.
I did, yeah.
So you're just dry running the program to show what it did.
Exactly. I didn't want to run it high, or I didn't want to run it in the same holes, obviously.
Is that aluminum?
That is aluminum.
And what's the thickness?
Right now it's about 1 inch.
It's 1 inch thick?
Yeah.
And then what's 10 inches square?
About 9.5 wide by 8.
9.5 by 8?
Yeah.
And then you say that's really good for this machine.
Yeah, that's pretty standard. You can go a little bit bigger. If you start trying to take off too much material at a time though, this machine can lose some rigidity and you can have some problems with some of the lines coming together weird.
Okay, that's good information to know.
Yeah.
So what RPM is it running at? Did I already ask that?
No, you didn't. It's running at about 4,000 right now.
This isn't proprietary, is it?
No, it's not. This is a jig, so it's done by us.
Yeah.
And then I have to hit go on it because I have option stop on. And this is just the tapping cycle.
So are these, is this control conversational? I mean, can you stand here on the floor and program it, or you have to do it offline?
I do a crap load of MBI, yeah.
When you say MBI, what do you mean?
Manual data entry.
Oh,
so,
MBI,
well,
okay.
I don't know what the I stands for.
So it is conversational.
There you go.
So you don't need to do it offline and then bring it in.
You can do a lot of conversational, but it's super archaic, and you're not gonna, I don't know anyone who'd want to sit with a book and figure out all the...
Yeah, it's not like a Haas where you can train a guy from Burger King and in an hour he's up and going. Right.
Yeah, it doesn't have that kind of conversation.
With the Haas, you guys program that over there all the time by hand, right?
Not really.
What do you call it?
We do circle mills and oval patterns and stuff like that.
For most of the stuff you do offline and then download it?
And then,
do you put the program on a disk or do you download it manually? Or I mean, do you download it through like an Ethernet cable?
USB.
A USB?
so we have it actually sped up right now for 100% rapid, and I'll speed that up so that the helical goes faster.
Okay. Oh, it looks like it moves pretty quick and rapid.
I think it's like
650?
12.
It's faster than that. It's like 16.
Yeah,
Oh,
12
okay.
or 1400, something like that.
That's the fastest.
Freaking quick, yeah. I wouldn't
Wow.
want to do tool changes. I never run it at 100 because I don't want a tool change.
Phase is still the same speed.
Well, I know it is, but I just don't want it to be like tool change and slam something. You know?
All right, that's good. I got some good